All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at all the odd-numbered questions. So my y prime is the outside function derivative, so that's cosine, and that is 5x minus 1. And then we're taking the derivative of 5x minus 1, which is 5. So we take the derivative of the inside function afterwards. And then y prime derivative of tangent is secant squared. And then I have to multiply by the derivative of 9x plus 2, which is 9. So I would have rewritten this as 9 secant squared 9x plus 2. And then 5. Okay, so the derivative of tangent is secant squared. And then the derivative of secant is secant tangent. And I probably would just leave it like that. Here I would have changed this to cotangent of x, the quantity squared. So then y prime is 2 cosine. Cotangent x to the first power, and then times by the derivative of cotangent, which is cosecant squared of x, negative cosecant squared of x. So y prime is negative 2 cotangent x cosecant squared of x. Okay. And then 9, again, cosine of pi x, and this is cubed, so then y prime is 3 cosine of pi x to the second power. That takes care of this. Now I have to work my way inward, which is negative sine of pi x. That's the derivative of cosine here. And then one more inside of pi. And then I got to clean it up. So y prime is negative 3 pi cosine squared pi x sine pi x. Okay. And then here bring down, so negative 3 tangent of x plus sine of x to the negative 4th power. We're going to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is secant squared. That's the derivative of tangent, plus the derivative of sine, which is cosine of x. And I probably wouldn't do anything to simplify that either. Okay. So now let's go to 13. So y prime, derivative of sine, which is cosine of 7x. Then the derivative of this cosine is a negative sine of 7x. And then the derivative of the 7x is 7. So I guess I can go y prime is equal to negative 7 cosine of 7x times sine of 7x. All right, and then 15. Rewrite this as the cotangent of 4x plus 1. And this is cubed. So then y prime is 3 cotangent of 4x plus 1. To the second power. Negative cosecant squared of 4x plus 1 gets me the derivative of cotangent. And then one more derivative of 4. So I can get a y prime is equal to negative 12 cotangent squared of 4x plus 1. And then cosecant squared of 4x plus 1. Okay, and that is it for the odd numbered questions.